So today we're going to do a little bit of a zigzag stitch. So first you're going to switch your machine to zigzag. Now on my machine this is how I change my type of stitch. Your machine might be different. You might have something more like this, and if it's electronic, very similar, only you have little buttons. So these are the different types of stitches that my machine is capable of doing, but I'm just going to do a basic zigzag. Now on this one, it actually is going to change how wide my zigzag is, and this one right here is going to change how close together my zigzag stitches are. So I'll show you that here in a second. But I've put my machine on a zigzag. I'm going to load my fabric here into my machine. Okay, and you can just see as my needle goes back and forth. Now you can see this is a much smaller stitch. If I lift my needle and I put it all the way to 4, you can see how much wider my stitch is. You can kind of see the difference between the two. And then if I change the length of my stitch, I can get them very close together. So it's kind of a satin stitch. This one's not as close together as it could be, or I can get them much farther apart. So we'll pull this off so you can kind of see the difference in the types of zigzags that you can do. But that's basically how you do a zigzag.